Reel him in. You got him? Reel him in, keep reeling. Oh, look at the intensity. Lift the rod up, lift the rod tip up. There you go. Nice job, Calvin. Woo! He's bigger. He's bigger than the other two. Whoa! There he is. You got him. You're doing good. Reel him up. Are you slipping? Way to hang on to him. Keep the rod tip up. Stay with him. Atta boy. Atta boy. Whoa! He's a crazy fish. You need help?
That's a long leader. I don't know how you cast it.
You're doing great. You got him.